Hello, and welcome. We are about to embark on a journey deep into the heart of our planet's greatest wilderness, the Amazon rainforest. This vast Emerald Labyrinth, teeming with an almost unimaginable diversity of life, is a world of breathtaking beauty and unparalleled complexity. Here, under the dense canopy, life unfolds in a constant, vibrant spectacle. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, countless species have evolved to thrive in this intricate ecosystem. But this world of wonder holds a darker side. For every delicate orchid and iridescent butterfly, there is a predator lurking in the shadows, a creature honed by millennia of evolution to become a master of survival. The Amazon is home to some of the most formidable and feared animals on Earth, creatures whose very names evoke a primal sense of caution. They are the guardians and the nightmares of this green kingdom. Join me as we peel back the layers of this lush paradise to reveal the chilling truths that lie beneath. We will come face to face with giants, encounter potent venoms, and witness the raw power of nature's most efficient killers. Some of these animals are well-known icons of fear, but others may surprise you with their uniquely terrifying traits. Prepare yourselves, for the Amazon does not give up its secrets lightly, and some are truly the stuff of nightmares. Our journey begins in the murky, slow-moving waters that snake through the forest floor. Here, in the dark embrace of the Amazon's aquatic veins, lives a true titan. This is the realm of the green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world. Growing to lengths of over 20 feet and weighing more than 500 pounds, its sheer scale is difficult to comprehend. It is less a snake and more a muscular river, flowing silently through the water. The anaconda is a master of ambush. It lies in wait, almost entirely submerged. Unsuspecting prey may come to the water's edge to drink, completely unaware of the colossal predator lurking just inches away. When the moment is right, the attack is devastatingly swift. Instantly, the snake coils its immense muscular body around its prey. With each exhalation of the trapped animal, the anaconda tightens its grip. It unhinges its jaw, allowing it to swallow its meal whole, a process that can take hours. Moving from the water's depths to its surface, we encounter another apex predator, an armored relic from a prehistoric age. This is the black caiman, the largest predator in the entire Amazon basin. An adult male can reach lengths of over 15 feet, a formidable fortress of bone and scale. Its dark coloration provides excellent camouflage during its nocturnal hunts, allowing it to become one with the shadowy waters. When it floats motionless, it can be mistaken for a submerged log, a deadly deception for any creature that strays too close. The black caiman is the undisputed king of its domain. Its diet is incredibly varied. Fish, birds, monkeys, tapirs, capybaras. Nothing is safe. Even the mighty jaguar will think twice before challenging this aquatic sovereign. The hunt is a display of explosive force. It will stalk its prey from beneath the water before launching itself with incredible speed. Once its jaws lock onto a victim, it will frequently drag its prey underwater, using a death roll to disorient and drown it. These ancient reptiles play a crucial role in the health of the ecosystem, helping control populations and maintain the delicate balance of the food web. From the colossal giants of the river, we now turn our attention to the forest floor, to a creature not feared for its size, but for the excruciating pain it can deliver. This is the bullet ant. Its name is not an exaggeration. It is a stark warning. Those unfortunate enough to be stung describe this sensation as being shot, a wave of all-consuming throbbing pain that can last for up to 24 hours. On the Schmidt Sting Pain Index, it ranks as the most painful insect sting in the world. These ants grow up to an inch long. They forage not in massive armies but often as individuals, scouring the leaf litter for nectar and small arthropods. Their formidable sting is not primarily for hunting but for defense, a powerful deterrent against any creature that might try to prey on them. The venom contains a potent neurotoxin that targets the central nervous system, causing waves of burning, throbbing, trembling, nausea, and cold sweats. For some indigenous tribes, this agonizing experience is incorporated into warrior initiation rites, a true test of a man's endurance and courage. It is a reminder that in the Amazon, danger can come in all sizes. Sometimes the most terrifying power is contained within the smallest of packages. We now encounter another small but deadly creature, vibrant jewels of color that hop among the leaf litter. These are the poison dart frogs. Their brilliant hues are not a celebration of life, but a stark and deadly warning. In the natural world, bright coloration often signals danger. The golden poison frog, a tiny creature just 2 inches long, is perhaps the most poisonous vertebrate on Earth. A single frog carries enough toxin in its skin to kill 10 grown men. This incredible toxicity is acquired through its diet of ants, mites, and other arthropods. The frog sequesters and concentrates the toxins from its prey. The danger lies in contact. The poison is secreted through glands in the skin and can be absorbed through a wound or mucous membrane. Indigenous peoples have for centuries carefully collected this poison, using it to tip hunting blowgun darts. A dart coated in this toxin can bring down monkeys and other large prey swiftly. These beautiful deadly creatures are a perfect example of passive defense. They do not need to bite or sting. Their very being is a threat. Their vibrant colors are a clear message to any potential predator. I am poisonous. To eat me is to die. It is a testament to the fact that in this complex world, the most beautiful things can often be the most dangerous. We now move into the deep shadows of the undergrowth, the domain of the rainforest's true apex land predator. It moves with a silence that belies its size and power, a phantom in the dappled light. This is the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. A magnificent creature of muscle and stealth, its rosette-covered coat provides perfect camouflage, making it invisible to its prey. The jaguar possesses the strongest bite force of any feline relative to its size. Unlike other big cats that suffocate prey at the throat, the jaguar drives its powerful canines through the skull, puncturing the brain. Remarkably adaptable, it's an excellent swimmer, comfortable in water, and a skilled climber, pursuing monkeys in the canopy, and thriving across diverse rainforest habitats. It stalks with infinite patience, often for hours, then launches a sudden, devastating attack from a blind spot. Solitary and elusive, it's often revealed only by tracks in the mud or the remains of a kill. The silent ruler of this kingdom. To glimpse a jaguar in the wild is a rare, profound privilege, a fleeting connection to raw, majestic power. We return to the murky waters where a creature has harnessed one of nature's most potent forces. It looks like an eel but is actually a type of knife fish. This is the electric eel, a living battery that can generate powerful electrical discharges. The electric eel possesses 3 pairs of specialized organs that make up nearly 4/5 of its body, acting like biological batteries that store and discharge electricity. For navigation and hunting, it emits low-voltage pulses using them like radar to sense and locate hidden prey, a sixth sense when sight is useless. When threatened or hunting, it can unleash up to 860 volts, enough to stun a human and lethal to smaller animals. The eel can even leap from the water to press its body against a threat, concentrating the full force of its electrical charge in a shocking, dramatic defense. Its strategy is simple: stun prey with a massive jolt, rendering them helpless, then consume its meal at leisure without a struggle. This ability to wield the power of lightning makes the electric eel one of the Amazon's most unique and formidable inhabitants, a reminder that some of the most extraordinary weapons are the ones you cannot see. No journey into the Amazon's dangers would be complete without confronting a creature of myth and legend. In these waters, a collective threat exists: the piranha, a name synonymous with frenzied terror. These fish are famous for their razor-sharp, interlocking teeth arranged in a single row on powerful jaws, fitting together like the teeth of a saw. A school of piranhas can strip a carcass down to the bone in minutes. While the image of them swarming a living human is largely myth, they do engage in feeding frenzies under certain conditions. For the most part, piranhas are scavengers and opportunistic predators, feeding on fish, insects, and plant matter. They're a vital part of the river's cleanup crew, but their potential for violence is always present. The sight of that red belly and the glint of those razor teeth is a potent reminder that even the smaller inhabitants command fear. During the dry season, when food is scarce and fish are trapped in shrinking pools, the scent of blood can trigger a rush of activity, with hundreds of fish converging in chaotic, violent display. As night falls, a new set of hunters emerges. One of the most feared doesn't build webs but actively hunts. The Brazilian wandering spider. Its name means murderous in Greek. Unlike most spiders, it doesn't retreat when threatened but rears up, exposing its red fangs in an intimidating display. It will sway from side to side in a terrifying dance of aggression. This confrontational behavior makes it dangerous, more likely to bite than flee. The venom causes severe pain, inflammation, loss of muscle control, and in severe cases, paralysis, breathing problems, and if untreated, death. These nocturnal hunters seek shelter during the day, leading them into human habitations, hiding in shoes, clothes, or famously, bunches of bananas. The combination of potent venom, aggressive nature, and tendency to wander into human spaces makes the Brazilian wandering spider a true nightmare of the Amazon night. Deep within caves and leaf litter, another relentless predator hunts, an ancient creature with a terrifying number of legs. This is the Amazonian giant centipede, reaching lengths of up to a foot, one of the largest centipedes in the world. A fast, aggressive carnivore with a shockingly broad diet. Insects, spiders, lizards, frogs, and even mice. These centipedes climb cave walls to catch bats in midair, a feat of predatory audacity, grasping them with many legs and delivering a fatal venomous bite. For humans, a bite is excruciatingly painful, causing swelling, fever, and chills, a serious threat that embodies the relentless struggle for survival. As our journey comes to a close, we look to the night sky, to a creature steeped in folklore, the only mammal that feeds entirely on blood. This is the common vampire bat. For centuries they've been symbols of darkness and fear, but the reality is more fascinating than fiction. Vampire bats don't suck blood, they make a small, precise incision with razor-sharp incisors, then lap up the blood that flows. Their saliva contains a remarkable anticoagulant draculin which prevents blood from clotting, ensuring a steady meal. They are stealthy feeders, approaching sleeping animals with a quiet crawl unique among bats. The victim rarely feels a thing. These highly social creatures exhibit reciprocal altruism. If a bat fails to find a meal, successful roostmates will regurgitate part of their blood meal, ensuring colony survival. The amount of blood taken is small, but the danger is disease, most notably rabies, a concern for livestock and occasionally humans. Yet they are a marvel of evolution, perfected for a challenging way of life. Not monsters, but complex social animals living on the lifeblood of others. We have journeyed through the shadows of the Amazon and faced its most fearsome residents. From the crushing coils of the anaconda to the fiery sting of the bullet ant, these creatures embody raw, untamed power. It is easy to label them as monsters, but each one is a masterpiece of evolution, perfectly adapted to its role in this intricate ecosystem. These so-called nightmares are essential architects of the Amazon. The jaguar maintains healthy prey populations, the caiman cleanses the rivers, and even tiny poison dart frogs play their part. Their frightening traits are not born of malice, but of necessity, the tools they need to survive in a world of constant competition. They are not evil, they are simply successful. Their existence is a vital thread in the impossibly complex tapestry of life that makes the Amazon so precious. Let us replace our fear with fascination, and our dread with respect. The wonders of our planet are not always gentle, but they are always extraordinary. These creatures remind us that the world is wild, powerful, and far more complex than we can imagine. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this exploration captivating, please like this video, subscribe for more journeys into the wild, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these Amazon nightmares will be haunting your dreams tonight?